Your body is constantly sending you signals: fatigue, mood swings, poor sleep, brain fog, joint pain. But most people ignore them. What if I told you that all of this might be your body's desperate cry for one single vitamin? A vitamin so essential that without it, your body starts to slowly break down from the inside out. And yet, almost 70% of people are dangerously low in it. Today, we're exposing the shocking truth about this forgotten nutrient that could transform your energy, mood, and health within days, if you just start giving your body what it's begging for. Hello and welcome back to the channel. If you care about your health, fitness, and long-term energy, you're in the right place. Today's topic is powerful. It's about a single vitamin that your body needs desperately, but most people ignore every single day. We're going to break down exactly why your body is craving it, what happens when you don't get enough, and how you can fix the deficiency naturally, fast. So stay tuned till the end, because this could literally be the missing link between you feeling tired and you feeling truly alive again. Most people think of vitamin D as just another supplement, but the truth is, it's not just a vitamin, it's a hormone that controls hundreds of functions inside your body. Known as the sunshine vitamin, vitamin D is produced when your skin is exposed to sunlight. But here's the shocking part: despite living in sunny regions, over half of the world's population is still deficient. Why? Because modern lifestyles keep us indoors, covered up, and disconnected from natural light. Vitamin D is essential for so much more than just bone health. It acts like a master switch, turning on genes that regulate your immune system, metabolism, and even brain function. Without enough vitamin D, your body struggles to absorb calcium and phosphorus, leading to weak bones, fatigue, and muscle pain. But that's only the beginning. Low vitamin D levels can also affect your mood, increase inflammation, and make you more vulnerable to diseases like diabetes, heart problems, and even certain cancers. In simple words, vitamin D is like the foundation of your health house. Without it, every other system starts to weaken. Your body doesn't just want vitamin D, it needs it to function at its best. In the next section, we'll reveal the early warning signs that your body is running low on this critical vitamin, and trust me, you might already be feeling them. Vitamin D deficiency is sneaky. It doesn't show up overnight. And most people don't even realize what's happening until they feel completely drained. Your body gives you subtle warning signs, but because they mimic other problems, they're easy to ignore. The first and most common sign is chronic fatigue. No matter how much you sleep, you still wake up tired. That's your body's way of telling you something deeper is off. Next, you might notice frequent colds or infections, because vitamin D plays a key role in supporting your immune system. Low levels mean your body can't fight off viruses and bacteria as effectively. Another red flag is joint and muscle pain, especially in your back, legs, or shoulders. Without enough vitamin D, calcium can't properly reach your muscles and bones, leaving you weak and sore. Many people also experience mood swings, anxiety, or depression because this vitamin indirectly affects serotonin in levels in the brain, your feel-good chemical. And if your hair is thinning, your wounds are healing slowly, or your skin looks dull and lifeless, that's your body screaming for help. These symptoms don't mean you're aging. They mean you're deficient. In the next section, we'll uncover how vitamin D directly influences your energy, focus, and mood, and why fixing it could change your entire day-to-day life. If you've been feeling constantly tired, unmotivated, or emotionally flat, it's not just in your head. Low vitamin D could be the reason behind that constant exhaustion and mood imbalance. Here's why. vitamin D acts like a battery charger for your cells. Inside your body, every cell has tiny power generators called mitochondria. These are responsible for creating the energy you need to move, think, and feel alive. Without enough vitamin D, your mitochondria can't perform efficiently, meaning your body literally runs out of energy, even when you rest or eat properly. But that's not all. Vitamin D has a direct relationship with serotonin, the neurotransmitter responsible for happiness and mental clarity. Low vitamin D equals low serotonin. This imbalance can make you feel irritable, anxious, or even depressed. That's why people often experience winter blues. During darker months, less sunlight means less vitamin D and your mood crashes. Studies have also shown that restoring vitamin D levels can significantly improve focus, motivation, and sleep quality. Imagine waking up refreshed, staying sharp throughout the day, and ending your day without feeling mentally exhausted. That's what optimal vitamin D can do. So, if you've been blaming your tiredness on stress, work, or lack of sleep, think again. Your body might simply be running low on this crucial vitamin. Up next, we'll talk about the dangerous long-term health risks of ignoring vitamin D deficiency. Ignoring vitamin D deficiency is like ignoring the warning lights on your car's dashboard. Everything might seem fine for a while, but eventually, something serious breaks down. When your body runs low on this vital nutrient, the damage builds up silently until one day it shows up as a major health problem. The most obvious issue is weak bones and fractures. Without vitamin D, calcium cannot properly bind to your bones, making them brittle and fragile. But beyond bone health, the dangers get far more serious. Low vitamin D has been linked to heart disease because it helps regulate blood pressure and supports the health of your arteries. When your levels are low, inflammation rises, and that's the perfect setup for heart attacks and strokes. It doesn't stop there. Research shows that vitamin D deficiency can increase your risk of type 2 diabetes, autoimmune diseases like multiple sclerosis, and even certain types of cancer. That's because vitamin D acts like a switch for over 200 genes, many of which control cell growth and immune function. Even your brain isn't safe. Studies connect low vitamin D to cognitive decline, Alzheimer's, and memory loss in older adults. So, when your body begs for this vitamin, it's not just about energy or mood. It's about protecting your long-term health. In the next section, we'll uncover why so many people are dangerously low in vitamin D, even if they think they're eating healthy or spending time in the sun. You might think, I go out in the sun, I eat healthy, how could I be vitamin D deficient? The truth will surprise you. Despite all that, most people today are seriously lacking vitamin D, and it's not your fault. Our modern lifestyle is designed to block this essential vitamin at every turn. First, we spend most of our time indoors, working in offices, watching screens, or commuting in cars. Even when we do go outside, we're usually wearing sunscreen, which blocks the UVB rays needed for vitamin D synthesis. Add to that pollution, cloudy weather, and covered clothing, and your skin simply never gets enough sunlight to make vitamin D naturally. Next, our diet doesn't help much either. Very few foods naturally contain vitamin D. Fatty fish like salmon, egg yolks, and fortified milk can help, but you'd have to consume a lot every day to meet your body's needs. Even people who live in sunny countries like Pakistan, India, or the Middle East often have low levels because cultural habits limit sun exposure. Another shocking reason is skin tone and age. The darker your skin, the more sunlight you need to produce vitamin D. And, as you age, your skin becomes less efficient at converting sunlight into this vitamin. So even if you feel fine, your body might already be running on empty. In the next section, we'll discuss how to naturally restore your vitamin D levels safely and effectively. Now that you know how easily deficiency happens, let's talk about how to fix it naturally and effectively. The best way to boost vitamin D is through controlled sunlight exposure. Your skin is like a solar panel that creates vitamin D when UVB rays hit it. Aim for 15 to 20 minutes of direct sunlight on your arms, face, and legs at least 3 times a week. The best time is between 10 a.m. and 2 p.m. when the sun's rays are strong enough to trigger vitamin D production. But avoid staying too long to prevent skin damage. Balance is key. If you can't get enough sunlight due to weather, work, or lifestyle, vitamin D-rich foods and supplements can help bridge the gap. However, food alone often isn't enough, so supplementation becomes important, especially during winter months or if you have darker skin. Also, remember that vitamin D works better when combined with other nutrients like magnesium, vitamin K2, and healthy fats. Without these, your body can't properly absorb or use vitamin D, no matter how much you take. Another powerful habit is spending more time outdoors, walking, gardening, or exercising in the sun. These simple activities not only boost your vitamin D, but also improve your mood and circulation. In the next section, we'll dive into the top vitamin D-rich foods that can naturally restore your levels and support your body from the inside out. If you want to give your body a steady supply of vitamin D, food can play a powerful supporting role, especially when paired with moderate sun exposure. While vitamin D is rare in most foods, there are a few nutrient-packed options that can make a real difference when added to your diet. Let's start with fatty fish, nature's richest source of vitamin D. Salmon, mackerel, sardines, and tuna are at the top of the list. A single serving of salmon can give you up to half of your daily requirement. Egg yolks are another great option, especially from free-range or pasture-raised hens, as they contain higher vitamin D levels. Next, there's fortified foods, products like milk, orange juice, yogurt, and cereals often have added vitamin D. While not natural sources, they can help fill the gaps, especially for vegetarians. Mushrooms are the only plant-based source of vitamin D, particularly those exposed to sunlight or UV light. Try adding them to soups, omelets, or stir-fries for a tasty boost. And don't forget about cod liver oil, an old-fashioned but highly effective source. Just 1 teaspoon provides a massive vitamin D boost, along with omega-3 fatty acids that support heart and brain health. By combining these foods with sensible sunlight exposure, you can help your body maintain strong vitamin D levels naturally. In the next section, we'll explore when and how supplements might be necessary and how to use them safely. Even with sunlight and diet, many people still can't reach optimal vitamin D levels, and that's where supplements come in. They're one of the easiest and most reliable ways to maintain healthy vitamin D levels year-round, especially if you live in colder regions, have darker skin, or spend most of your day indoors. There are 2 main types of vitamin D supplements: D2 ergocalciferol and D3 cholecalciferol. While both can raise your levels, studies show that vitamin D3 is far more effective because it's the same form your body naturally makes from sunlight. D3 also stays in your system longer and helps maintain stable blood levels. The general guideline for adults is between 1,000 to 2,000 IU per day, but some people need more depending on their deficiency level. However, It's important not to overdo it. Too much vitamin D can cause calcium buildup in the blood, leading to nausea, weakness, or even kidney issues. That's why it's smart to get your vitamin D levels tested before starting any supplement routine. Always pair your vitamin D supplement with a meal containing healthy fats like avocado, olive oil, or eggs, because it's a fat-soluble vitamin. This ensures proper absorption and better results. In the next section, we'll talk about the best time and way to take vitamin D to maximize its absorption and energy-boosting effects. Timing and method can make a huge difference in how well your body absorbs vitamin D. Many people take supplements randomly, thinking it doesn't matter, but research says otherwise. The best time to take vitamin D is during or right after your largest meal of the day, ideally one that includes some healthy fats like nuts, eggs, salmon, or olive oil. Since vitamin D is fat-soluble, it needs dietary fat to dissolve and enter your bloodstream efficiently. Studies show that taking vitamin D with a meal can increase absorption by up to 50% compared to taking it on an empty stomach. That means you'll get more benefits without increasing your dose. Morning or midday is often ideal because vitamin D helps regulate your body's natural energy and circadian rhythm, making you feel more awake and balanced during the day. Another tip: stay consistent. Vitamin D works best when taken daily or at least regularly, not occasionally. Your body stores it in fat tissue, but consistency helps maintain stable levels and prevents dips that lead to fatigue and mood changes. If you take other supplements, vitamin D pairs well with magnesium, vitamin K2, and omega-3s, which all enhance its function and protect your heart, bones, and immune system. In the next and final section, we'll reveal how fixing your vitamin D deficiency can transform your energy, mood, immunity, and overall life, plus a powerful call to action to take charge of your health today. When you finally give your body the vitamin D it's been begging for, the results can feel almost magical. Within just a few weeks, many people notice a surge in energy, sharper mental focus, and a lighter, happier mood. That's because vitamin D reactivates your body's natural systems. Your brain, muscles, immune response, and hormones all start firing on full power again. Your immune system becomes stronger, meaning you get sick less often and recover faster when you do. Your bones and joints regain strength, your sleep quality improves, and even your skin health starts to glow from the inside out. Mentally, you feel more balanced, calmer, and motivated, because your serotonin levels are finally back where they should be. And perhaps most importantly, you protect your long-term health. Fixing a vitamin D deficiency reduces your risk of chronic diseases like heart problems, diabetes, and even certain cancers. It's not just about feeling good today, it's about building a foundation for the future you. So if your body has been whispering signs of fatigue, brain fog, or low mood, it's time to listen. Start with a simple blood test, spend more time in the sun, eat vitamin D-rich foods, and consider a quality D3 supplement if needed. If this video helped you understand the power of vitamin D, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more life-changing health content. Your next level of energy, focus, and vitality could start today with just one simple step.